Want to learn how to get logged out of your Viber account? I'll teach you how to do it today. Welcome back to Tutorials Point. Before starting, you can subscribe to our channel for more videos and updates. First of all, install a Viber app from your App Store or Play Store, just like me, and then tap on this Viber to open up the app. Make sure to get logged in, just like me. Now, tap on this More option on the bottom right corner. Tap on Settings, above My Contact. Tap on General on the bottom. Scroll down. On the bottom, you can see an option of Exit. Tap on it. You can see that exiting will limit to availability and you might not receive calls and messages on Viber. If you're sure with it, tap on OK on the right corner. So you can see that you're exiting Viber and you have successfully been logged out of your Viber account. Tap on it to see it. So you've successfully exited from your Viber account. So this is how you do it. I hope this video is really helpful for you and I was able to help you. I am going to see you on the next video. Till then, keep calm, stay safe, and goodbye.